Hi everybody! In today's video I'm going to show you how I prepared my digital Shoppings and Gardens artwork for the Dublin Canvas application. Start off by importing the template into your software and then overlay it with your sketch or sketch from scratch. Make sure that you lower the opacity so that you can then trace your lines. You can scale and move your sketch around to make sure that it fits perfectly into the template. I had an idea of the colors I wanted to use, so I went onto Pinterest and Adobe Color to get some inspiration. I used a hard round brush to fill in the colors to my artwork, and to make sure that I still was able to see the lines of the template, I had to mask the white area so that my colors would shine through. As I was coloring the artwork, I noticed that I needed to adjust some lines so that the artwork made a bit more sense and that I could actually color some areas more accurately. Keep playing with the colors until you're happy with them. My favorite trick here is to lock the transparency so that you can very easily just repaint as many times as you like. Once you're happy with your artwork, you can create a Google Doc and fill it out with the details that are requested, include your artwork, and then download it as a PDF. All that you have to do then is to send it as an email attachment and hope that you get selected.